The holy shrine of Imam Reza, peace be upon him. In the sacred city of Mashhad, nestled in the heart of Iran, lies one of the most revered sanctuaries in the Islamic world, the holy shrine of Imam Ali ibn Musa al-Reza, peace be upon him. This grand spiritual complex is not only the final resting place of the 8th Imam of the Ahlul Bayt, but it also stands as the largest mosque in Iran. Spread across an area of nearly 600,000 square meters, the shrine houses a majestic tomb, a museum filled with historical treasures, a rich library, religious seminaries, the beautiful Gohar Shad Mosque, and the prestigious Razavi University. Today, more than 15 million pilgrims journey to this sacred site every year, hearts full of love, eyes filled with tears, and souls seeking divine peace. Imam Reza, peace be upon him, a noble descendant of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is a central figure in Islamic history. Known for his immense knowledge, patience, and piety, he was tragically martyred by order of the Abbasid ruler Ma'mun, and laid to rest in this very land. Over time, both Shia and Sunni Muslims began offering prayers at his grave, and the name Mashhad, meaning place of martyrdom, became forever linked to the Imam's legacy. Despite the shrine facing destruction throughout history, including in the year 993, when it was demolished by the Ghaznavid king Sebuktigin, the love of the faithful never waned. His son, Mahmud of Ghazni, later restored the shrine, and from that time forward, new buildings, bustling bazaars, and vibrant communities flourished around the sacred precincts. The shrine has always been a beacon for seekers, drawing both Iranian and international pilgrims from all walks of life. Though ravaged multiple times, by the Mongols, by invaders, and through political unrest, the shrine has risen again and again, each time rebuilt with deeper reverence and greater grandeur by devoted hands. One of the most remarkable reconstructions took place during the Safavid era, under the command of Shah Tahmasp, who initiated a stunning renovation of the holy site. Since then, the Razavi shrine has continued to evolve, with new expansions transforming it into a city within a city. Today, the shrine covers over 1 million square meters, making it a towering symbol of devotion, resilience, and Islamic identity. At the heart of this development stands the organization known as Aston Quds Razavi, the official custodian of the shrine. One of the largest endowment institutions in the world, it operates under the guiding light of Imam Reza's noble teachings and the spiritual momentum of the Islamic revolution. Aston Quds is more than a guardian of sacred grounds, it is a powerhouse of scientific, cultural, and humanitarian activity. In 2019, it launched the Scientific and Cultural Organization, designed to unify and energize all scholarly, educational, and missionary efforts under one strategic vision. This institution supports research centers, educational institutes, and cultural programs aimed at enriching Islamic thought and addressing the evolving needs of modern society. With meticulous planning, ongoing evaluation, and global cooperation, Aston Quds has emerged as a radiant source of knowledge and wisdom, connecting millions through faith, intellect, and heritage. Over the past 1,200 years, countless individuals have left their mark on the sacred harem. What once began as a modest shrine is now a sprawling spiritual metropolis, unmatched in scale, beauty, and significance. Indeed, the holy shrine of Imam Reza, peace be upon him, stands as a timeless sanctuary of love, sacrifice, and divine presence, a place where hearts are humbled, prayers are whispered, and destinies are forever changed.
अल्लाहु नूरुस समावाति वल अर्द,
अल्लाह आसमानों और जमीन का नूर है।